Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this video I am going to walk you through a new topic, and the topic is how to use FreshSales CRM by FreshWorks in 2025. If you are a beginner and want to manage leads, deals, emails and automations, this tutorial is perfect for you. So without any further ado, let's dive into it. So first of all, you just need to be signed up here, and then I will give you whole dashboard overview. So you just need to visit over here freshworks.com and CRM. Then you just need to be click this try it free options, and then you just need to be log in if you already have an account. So if you already have an account, you just need to be login. So I already use continue with Google options, so that's why I'm getting this. So I will go with that options also again. So here it will log in me in that place, so I will click over here continue with email, and it will redirect me to the dashboard. So here actually you can see that try free trial for 21 days, so I'm getting 21 days trial. So you just need to pick one thing from that place, like which industry you are belong to. I am going to say that I am from computer software, and then I will select, you can select other industries, then click get started, and then you will get the interface. Here you can see connect your mailbox to import delivery and enable two-way sync of email conversations. So here you can see this is the interface. So you just need to click start free trial or login. If you already have an account, you just need to choose FreshSales. Here you can see. So here you can view summaries of open deals, tasks and revenue pipeline, activity timeline in that place. So here you just need to add or import contacts and leads. So you just need to go to the contacts. So here you can see this is the contacts. You just need to come over here and you can add contacts in that place. So that for reason, if you want to add contact, you just need to click this one, add contact option, and from that place you just need to provide email, first name, last name, account, then job title and mobile, and just click hit save and it done. So if you want to do bulk import, you just need to click the import options. Here actually you can see the import options here available. Import contacts, you just need to click to this option, and then you can import it wisely. So it's just really an easy task. You can also auto capture leads using forms or APIs. Then you can manage deals and sales pipeline. So head to the deal sections. Here you can see this is the deal sections. Head to the deal sections and you can create deal to add a new opportunity. So here you can add this deal in that place, and you just need to click this create a new deal. If you click over here, and now you can easily add that in that place. That is literally so much easy. You just need to enter deal name, value is trace, expected close date and currency value, and that's it. And FreshSales gives a visual Kanban style pipeline. Here you can see this is the visual Kanban pipeline view for you. So you can just drag and drop here easily. FreshSales like give you options like Kanban style pipeline and many more. You can drag and drop deals or they move through stages like new, contracted, demo schedule, on and lost. You can customize pipeline stages to match your sales process. Now let's talk about email integrations and communications. You just need to go to the setting. Once you click over here, then you will get email configurations. So here you will find out that in that place, and once you find it out, you just need to choose call meeting. Like under any lead or contact, you can send emails, track options and clicks, and set up email sequence. You can use email template for faster outreach. FreshSales also supports two-way sync, so conversations stays updated. And now let's talk about add tasks, notes and follow-ups. So if you want to add that, then you just need to click on under any lead or deal and click add tasks. Like let's say I'm going to click this one, and here if you want to add the tasks, you just need to click this one. Here you can see it on one note already been added. So here you can easily add note to these options. This helps you stay organized and never miss a follow-up. So now let's talk about smart workflow and automations. You just need to click on workflows here, and you can choose a trigger. For example, new lead added. You can set condition. For example, lead source is website. You can choose action like send email, assign to a sales repository, or update field value. Automation saves you time and speeds up responses. Reporting and analytics. You just need to click onto the report section. You will find pre-built reports like sales performance, pipeline overview, email activity. You can also create custom reports. Use filters like date, range, sales, rep, or region. And you can export reports to Excel to PDF of CRM. Now let's talk about mobile app and integrations. So here actually you can download the FreshSales mobile app for iOS or Android. Manage deals, contact calls, and emails on the go. FreshSales integrate with calendars like Google. Like here, if you come over that place into the admin setting, and here you will find out that option, and you will see the marketplace. Here you just need to click through this one, and now you can easily add calendars like Google or Outlook. Then here you can see free apps available, so you can install this one your fresh Slack like Facebook, Office, Candly, Setmore, and many more famous like Zapier also. So it is an amazing thing. So here we have a couple of more things, like you can see the account one, what actually you will do that platform. So you can create account, then here you can see conversations. You will able to see the conversation in that place. Also we have the analytics one. So here actually you can see we have this analytics, and we will get all the reports in that place, and that an amazing one. Then you have the my report and curated reports. Then you can share the reports also with your colleague. So you currently have no reports here, so if you have a report, then you will get something like this. So now the question will be arrived that am I able to purchase the premium plan? Yes, you can. You just need to click over here, explore plans, and you will see is it really affordable for you or not. Like when you find out that this FreshHack CRM is really amazing for your business, then you can choose the plan for your business. But before that, I always suggest you to use the trial. Like you will get 13 days trial or maybe 22 days trial for you, and once you find out that FreshSales is really amazing or really helpful for your business, then you can go further with the premium plan. So that's it for today. I hope you love this video, and if you think this video was helpful for you, then don't forget to subscribe our channel and don't forget to hit the like button. Till then, have a good day. I will catch you in the next video with an interesting topic again.